Hi everyone, today I will show you how to send AI images on WhatsApp directly. How to create an AI generated image in a WhatsApp chat directly. So how can I send AI generated image as a greetings on WhatsApp? So in order to send AI image to someone through WhatsApp directly, so just open WhatsApp and guys from here you can select anyone. Yeah, so I wanted to send AI images. So now we can see that attachment icon here. Just tap on it, and from the attachment icon you can see that AI images appeared. Just hit on it, write a prompt. So I'm just writing a prompt here. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, like that. So you can just give a prompt like that. Lord Ganesha walking with mouse. Yeah, and just wait for a moment, and here you go. See the beautiful, ultra beautiful pictures appeared. I mean that generated by AI. So now you can send to, yeah, you can mention, yeah, happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Yeah. So guys, this way you can wish someone using your images via WhatsApp. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.